Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you one easy but adorable ornament. Now usually I share 2 or more crafts per video, but I've already made a reindeer and a cat similar to this earlier in the year. That's why this ornament is going to be on its own today. To start off, I'm taking this sparkly ornament, and it is shatter-proof, so you don't have to worry about it breaking if you have pets or small children. And I'm going to be turning it into a little mouse. And this circle template was the perfect size for both of the ears. I'm using white felt for the outside of the ears and pink felt for the pink inside of the ears. And I'm just tracing it with a pencil. After tracing 4 circles, I just cut out each of them, and I'm going to be hot gluing them together. Now I know mice are not really everybody's favorite animal. I know they're not mine, but this one is going to be really cute. Also, I do know that there are some people out there who collect little mice related things. Like I actually have a cousin in my family who specifically collects Santa mice for her Christmas tree. So there are people out there who do think these animals are really cute. So here I am just hot gluing each of them together by putting a little bit of glue in the middle of the pink circle. And I actually don't want these to be a complete circle in order to glue them to the round Christmas ornament. So I made this little template that has a little groove cut out of the bottom so that it will actually line up perfectly with the curvature of the Christmas ornament. After cutting both of those sections off of the ears, I just had to put a little line of hot glue on the bottom, and it was the perfect fit for both of the ears. Now here comes the fun part. These beautiful flowers you can find in the scrapbooking or sticker section of your local craft store, and there's different types. Some are made out of a thin paper, whereas others are made out of a felt, and I went ahead and did this pattern of a white and a blue, white, blue, and it was really, really pretty. I liked it a lot. So I just hot glued each of those in place like the mouse has a cute little flower crown. And this is very similar to the cat ornament that I showed you at the beginning of the video. After getting all the flowers glued down was the time to do the face. Now this is where I'm using my POSCA paint pens. Even though this is a sparkly surface, the paint pens worked fine. There was a little bit of glitter that would come off on the tip, but all you had to do was wipe off the ends every now and then to remove the excess glitter. I did a simple round oval black eyes with some cute little eyelashes, and I'm using a different size POSCA pen just to fill in that large area. I also did a cute little nose, almost looks like a small heart, and then of course I'm going to be giving the mouse a sweet little smile. Going in with the whiskers, I just did 3 thin whiskers on both sides, and I felt like this was really cute and it could have easily been done just like this, but I felt like something was missing. I also wanted to do a little bit of highlight in the eye. So using my dotting tool and just white acrylic paint, I did 2 simple little dots in the corners of the eyes just to make it look like she had more of a personality. And here is the finished ornament. Super quick and simple. I really love this one a lot. And if you're interested in watching the other video, I'll have it linked here at the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.